In this video, we'll have a look at the SCRUM board. So the SCRUM board is the planning tool that the team will be using during their sprint. So remember, in this particular scenario, we have defined the sprint length to be 5 days. Now, when the team members take on a task, the card is then moved to doing. When they have completed a task, so the task that's in the doing column, they will then move that task to done. So they will then continue working on these tasks doing that sprint until they have completed the task in the sprint backlog. Now, if they do not complete the stories in the sprint backlog, only the task in the done column will give the sprint velocity. Now, during the sprint, the team performed the following rituals. The sprint is the definition of those 5 days time box. For some companies, they might set up for until 2 weeks in one time box. Next is the sprint plan. So the sprint plan is the first activity when a new sprint is started. So this is where the team will estimate and plan for the work to be completed in that sprint. The daily stand-up is the status meetings where the team are keeping a track on where they are. The sprint demo is held at the end of the sprint, where the team will demonstrate the tasks that they have completed. So those are the tasks that were in the done column. And the retrospective is held at the end of the sprint. The team will then use the retrospective to evaluate the teamwork and the process.